Are you tired of pouring money into Facebook ads that fizzle out? Struggling to build a thriving community around your brand? Wishing you could unlock the full potential of Facebook to skyrocket your sales? There's a better way. Introducing the Mastering Facebook Marketing Combo Course, your all-access pass to dominating the Facebook game. This isn't just another Facebook ads course. We'll dive deep into 6 powerful modules. Facebook Ads Secrets. Unlock the secrets to crafting high-converting Facebook ads that reach the right audience at the right time. Facebook Ads Strategy. Develop a data-driven Facebook ads strategy to maximize your return on investment. Facebook Group Unleashed. Turn your Facebook group into a thriving community that fosters brand loyalty and drives sales. Facebook Messenger Bot. Automate your customer service, answer questions, and boost sales with the power of chatbots. Facebook Live Mastery. Captivate your audience, connect with them on a deeper level, and generate leads with captivating Facebook Live streams. Facebook Ad Domination. Take your ad skills to the next level and become a Facebook Ads Pro. Stop wasting time and money on piecemeal Facebook marketing tactics. The Mastering Facebook Marketing Combo Course gives you everything you need to succeed in one comprehensive program. Don't miss out. Take control of your Facebook marketing destiny. Visit our website www.techskill.in and enroll now.